Hello students. So in this reaction of anti-Markovnikov's rule, we are going to discuss about the formation of alkyl halides from alkenes. But this time याद रखना, we are going to do instead of Markovnikov, anti-Markovnikov. मतलब हम लोग ये जो addition करेंगे, we are going to do it in the presence of a peroxide. Okay. So एक बार reaction check करते हैं what exactly is the reaction all about. Let's suppose आपके पास एक alkene है, you have a basic alkene propene. To this you are adding HBr. Now, as we have learned Markovnikov rule mein, that Br can be added to the primary carbon or Br can be added to the secondary carbon. Basically, वो दोनों जगह जा सकता है. So definitely, you will get two different products. You will get CH3, CHBr, CH2, and CH3. This is the first product that you would get. Now, the second product that you can get is if the Br gets added onto the first carbon atom, and in this case, you would get a structure something like this. मतलब पहले वाले केस में आपको मिल गया 2 ब्रोमोप्रोपेन, दूसरे वाले केस में आपको मिल गया 1 ब्रोमोप्रोपेन. अब ध्यान रखना कि this reaction what we have done is done in the presence of peroxide, and अगर ये reaction Markovnikov rule follow करता तो 2 bromopropane was supposed to be the major product, but because you are doing the reaction in the presence of peroxide, it will follow a mechanism of anti-Markovnikov, and therefore 2-bromopropane will be the minor product, whereas 1-bromopropane would be the major product. Why is this so? Because we are doing the reaction in the presence of peroxide, and you are going to follow a rule which is called as peroxide rule or a peroxide effect or anti-Markovnikov's rule. Okay, what does the anti-Markovnikov rule states? Then Markovnikov rule ये बोलता था that the negative part should go to the carbon containing less number of hydrogen. Anti-Markovnikov rule exactly उसका opposite बोलता है, which says that the negative part goes to the carbon which contains more number of hydrogen atoms. And ध्यान रखना, this reaction will be done in the presence of peroxide. तो एक बार check करते हैं statement. Whenever an unsymmetrical alkene is treated with an unsymmetrical reagent in the presence of peroxide, then the negative part of the reagent goes to that carbon atom containing more number of hydrogen atoms, and इसलिए 1 bromopropane is the major product, 2 bromopropane is the minor product. Also, आपको क्या याद रखना है that anti-Markovnikov's rule या peroxide effect, it is also referred as Kharash effect. And one very important thing that you need to remember, Kharash effect is only followed in the case of HBr. HCl and HI do not give this reaction. So this was the major aspect, or this was the major run through about how exactly you will form the compounds in anti-Markovnikov's rule. अच्छा, अब ये क्यों होता है, इसका exact mechanism या इसके mechanistic details we'll learn in the next module. Don't worry about it. But then in this module we are just discussing about the formation of products. यहाँ पे क्या याद रखना है? That the double bond is broken. The negative part will go to that carbon atom which contains more number of hydrogen atoms. Markovnikov में less number of hydrogen atoms. Anti-Markovnikov rule, it's only done in the presence of peroxide, and it can be only done for HBr. It cannot be done for HCl and HI. Anti-Markovnikov rule or peroxide effect is also referred by the name Kharash effect. Okay? So that's all for this module, my dear students. We'll meet up in the next module with the mechanism of anti-Markovnikov rule. Till then, thank you students and happy learning.